Hello and welcome to Every Dad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be turning one of these, which is a laptop hard drive, into a nice little clock like this. So stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so these are all the pieces I have then. This is the hard drive you just watched me take apart. You can see all the bits and pieces are here. This is the movement that I've got for it. At the moment this hole is still a little bit too small, so I'm going to have to drill it out another bit to see if this shaft will be long enough to go through. It needs to come all the way through, obviously, for the handles to go on, and it might not be long enough. If that's the case, I'll have to order a new one with a longer shaft. These are the two platters then, so I'll put one of them back in as the backing for the clock. Yeah, so that's probably the next things you're going to see me doing. After that then we've just got the feet, which we'll be making out of some wood. I haven't really got the design for them yet, but it will hold it at a slight angle, something like that. Yeah, but we'll worry about that once we figure out if this movement works. Okay, so after drilling out this hole, this shaft is definitely too short, so I'm going to have to order a new one. Yeah, and through the magic of editing, I'm going to get one right now. Okay, so the postman arrived this morning with the extended spindle clock. So hopefully now it'll go all the way through, which it does. And it's got plenty of clearance to be able to turn, so that's really good. So I want to try keep the hard drive as intact as possible, so I'm actually going to put this little plate back on. Hopefully I've still got the screws because it's been sitting around the workshop. Okay, so what you see me doing there was cutting out this little fella. It's just a little piece of oak. The clock just slides down into it. It's a nice stable base for standing on a counter or on a shelf or wherever you put it. I'm actually going to leave it removable because it has a hanging piece on the back as well, so you can hang it up somewhere. I'm actually giving this away to someone, so that's why I don't want to commit to which way it's going to be hung. If it was mine, I'd personally keep it in this, but yeah, I leave that option open. The other thing you see me doing was cutting down these hands. So the hands that were with the clock were massive. They're obviously for a full 10 or 12 inch clock. So I've just cut those down to a more suitable size. Yeah, so the only things really left are to give this a good clean and varnish this, or probably oil it more likely. So I'm just going to sand and oil that. So that's the next thing you're going to see. Okay, so as you can see, the hard drive clock is looking really well there now. I'm really happy with it. Apart from the hiccup where the shaft was too short, everything else went really smoothly and I'm really happy with it. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.